Increment operators are two types: post increment operator and pre-increment operators. Most of the beginners are confused about what is the difference between post and pre operator. In post increment operator, we are writing plus plus symbol after the variable, but in pre-increment operator, we are writing plus plus symbol before the variable. So let's try to understand pre and post operator better with the help of example. For example, a variable x which is equal to 10. Okay. Now I want to increase the value of x by 1. The simplest way of doing this is just we'll write x equal to x plus 1, and this will increase the value of x by 1, right? And after this we will print the value of x. Now let's compile the program and run the program. The value of x is incremented by 1, so the answer is 11. So this is the simplest way. Now there is another way of doing this, is just like this. You can write x and then two plus symbols, and this will increment the value of x by 1. So let's try to run this program, and in answer you can see the answer is still 11. So this operation, when you add 2 plus symbol after your variable, it will increment the value of the variable by 1. This kind of incrementation of variable is called post increment operation. For example, if I will do something like this, just want to print x plus plus in print line. So what is the answer? The answer is 10, because in the post increment operator, the value of x will be changed only after this plus plus operation. Okay, so this plus plus operation will increment the value of x in the next usage of x. Okay, to check this, I will just print the value of x here again. The value of x will be incremented by 1. Now let's compile the program and run the program. So the output is this. In the output, the first value of x is 10, which is same as initialized value. Then the value of x will be increment here, and in the next usage, the value of x become 11. So this is called the post increment operator, right? But there is something called pre-incrementation, and this you can do like this: plus plus x. We are writing plus plus before variable x, and what this will do? Simply it will increase the value of x by 1 first. So in this operation itself, it will increase the value of x first. Now let's compile the program, and this time if we compile, we'll get the result 11, 11. If we see in the output, the first value of x is 11, because first it will increment your value and then it gives the result. And in the next line also, the value of x is 11. Okay, so this is called pre-increment operation. So what is the basic difference between post and pre-increment operator? In post increment operator, first gives the result, then increment the value by 1. But in pre-increment operator, first increment the value, then gives the result. So this is all about pre and post increment operators.